Gus. How's the snow, Gus? Call him again. You need to reinforce him quicker,
Gus, come. Gus, sit. Gus, sit.
Good boy.
Good dog. Oh, he already has snow stuck to him.
Oh.
Oh, no.
You gotta make your own path, Gus. Make your own path.
It's actually kind of cute that he's following your path.
It's because the snow's taller than his legs. Gus. This is not an interesting video right now. Do something cute. Yeah, do something cute. Yay, that's cute. Oh, man. Oh, there's some cute. Oh, under the tree. I'll try to reinforce him with the treat again.
Alright. Gus, come. Come here. Gus, come here. Gus, come here.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a cute puppy.
He's like a bunny.
Oh, yeah, he is like a bunny. Oh man, this is super cute. Oh, we lost him again. Reinforce?
See, you can train me too.
I'm training you to train Gus.
Gus, come here.
Oh, he's getting better.
Gus, sit. Gus, sit. Gus, sit. Gus, sit.
He's like, I don't want to get my butt cold.
He came, so.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. There's so much snow caked to him. Oh, okay, there's something really cool under that tree. All right, before my phone gets completely soaked, I guess I